So now we will move to how the heat is transferred in nature. Uh, what do you have to keep in mind on this case when we are looking at how the heat is transferred in nature is that the convection current is what is making the either the sea breeze or the land breeze to happen. So remember what we just said, that convection is when the hot particles are moving faster, becoming the hot object air is becoming lighter, less dense, and then therefore it is rising up, and the place of that uh, hot that is moving up is taken by the cold air. So uh, this is where the breeze is happening. Now there are two breezes that we will see and we will like analyze pretty much here is the land breeze and the sea breeze. Now, when we are talking about the sea breeze, what you have to keep in mind that land, it is uh, getting hot faster and getting colder faster. So as the sun is heating the land, um, it is land. It's becoming hotter. When we have a land and the water close to each other, then land is becoming hotter faster than the water, the ocean or the lake, or even the river. Okay, so this is what is happening during day. Okay, the land is becoming hotter than the water, therefore, the molecules of the air that are above the land are becoming uh, less denser, so they are raising up, and then the place the uh, of those molecules of air is taken by the cold air that is coming from the sea or the ocean or the lake. So then what we see is a circulation of the air where the cold air is coming from the ocean, lake, or river, and the hot air is going toward the ocean. During the day, this is what we see. Now, it is true that land is becoming hotter faster than water during the day, but the same phenomena is happening in regards to becoming cooler. So during night, land is becoming cooler faster than water. So therefore, what we see as the land breeze breeze is the cold air coming into the land. What we see is that the air that is on top of the ocean, a lake, or river is hotter because water is holding the heat longer than the land. That it's hotter, so therefore the air molecules that are on the surface of the lake, ocean, or the river are going up since they are becoming lighter. Okay, and then less dense, and then the place of this air is taken by the air that is coming from the land because the land is colder. So what do you have to keep in mind when we are talking about the breeze? The land or the sea is what is uh, where is the cold air going to? Okay, so uh, keep in mind that during the day, land is hotter than water, and at night, land is colder than water. So wherever is the hot air, it is going up, and then that place is taken by the cold air. So therefore, the breeze is formed. And this is what is happening as the heat transfer in the nature. So you feel the breeze of the cold uh, air coming from the ocean, the water, the sea, or the lake, and because the air in the above the ocean is colder than the air above the land, so you feel the fresh air, the breeze that is coming from the ocean, and then during night you feel the warmth coming from the ocean. So this is why to have an home nearby the ocean is very good, because you do not feel that uh, cold or the hot as much as if you are far away from the ocean. Even though that being here near the mountains, we still feel some of the climate effect of the breeze that is happening. Does it make sense?